Welcome to today's market report.
MSCI's global equities index lost ground on Wednesday after weaker than expected overseas data and as investors monitored a heating up of American-Chinese trade tensions while they awaited upcoming U.S. economic data and second quarter earnings. Investors shrugged off U.S. Federal Reserve meeting minutes released on Wednesday that showed a Fed united in this June meeting decision to hold interest rates steady to buy time to assess whether further hikes would be needed. Minutes also showed most members expecting more policy tightening eventually. If we continue to see a cooling off of the inflation, there may not be any further rate hikes, but nothing to that end was disclosed in the Fed meeting. We will have much more sense after we get another major data point on Friday with the jobs report and the inflation data next week. Putting a damper on equities overseas was the release earlier of a survey showing China's services sector, which had rebounded since the lifting of COVID-19 lockdowns, expanding in June at the softest pace in 5 months, adding to signs of a faltering recovery in the world's second biggest economy. A U.S. Commerce Department spokesperson said on Wednesday that the United States firmly opposes export controls announced by China on Monday for gallium and germanium, and that Washington will consult its partners and allies. Companies were racing to secure supplies ahead of a 1st of August deadline after China's abrupt decision to restrict exports of two metals widely used in semiconductors and electric vehicles. If you look at the global level, all the things that came out showed you that growth is still slowing, and you have the geopolitical backdrop between the US and China. That's going to be a bit of a headache. The dollar index rose 0.272%, with the euro drop to 108.53, sterling is at 127. This is today's market report. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.